We're going to be creating a poster in honor of President's Day. We celebrate President's Day in February, and for our president, we're using Jimmy Carter. We'll be creating this poster in Google Slides. Here is an example of what our poster will look like at the end. Let's get started. When you open your Google Slide, your canvas is blank and all our facts are on the left. We will be creating a border, placing our heading and our 6 facts about Jimmy Carter onto the canvas, and adding an image. The first thing we'll do is we'll add a border. Go to the Shapes tool, click Shapes, and come to the one that is called Frame. Click on that. When we have that plus sign as our cursor, we'll hold our left click down, hold it down as we draw out our frame, and then let go. Now we will go to the diamond and move it left. Pause and do that now. Now we will color our frame. Click on your frame, go to the fill color on your toolbar, and click that blue color. Pause and do that now. Add a border. Our border is black. We can keep it black, but go to border weight beside it and click on 4. Pause and do that now. Move over our heading, Jimmy Carter. Left click on it and move it. You can also use arrow keys. And then we move our facts over. Our first fact was that he was born October 1st, 1924. Next, president from 1977 to 1981. And notice I'm going to make sure these are in alignment with that red line. Our next fact was that he was a Democrat. Next, Nobel Peace Prize winner. Our next fact is he was the longest living U.S. president. And our last fact is he was a peanut farmer from Georgia. Pause now and move over your heading and your facts. Now we'll add an image of Jimmy Carter. Click on Insert, Image, choose Stock and Web. You could also go to the right and then click on Stock and Web here. Once you do that, click inside and type in Jimmy Carter and press Enter. We are making a poster for President's Day. Presidents deserve respect. So when we're making this poster, we want to be sure that we don't use caricatures, that would be cartoon-like images. We want a nice picture of Jimmy Carter. The top ones under stock image, that is not our president, Jimmy Carter. This is Jimmy Carter. Right there is Jimmy Carter, but we want to go down to Google Images to get the best selection. Click Google Images. Here we have better images of Jimmy Carter. I'll click this first one because this is his official image for him being president. I'll click that one. I want to make it just a little bit better. I want to put it in a shape. To do that, we're going to go up here beside the crop image button. We'll go to the arrow beside it where it says mask image. I'll click that shape, choose rounded rectangle or oval. I'll choose oval. Go to the handles and bring it down to resize it, and I'll put it right here in our poster. Still too large, so I will bring it down more and place it. Pause and do that now. Now that you've placed your image and changed the shape, add one more thing. The border to the image. Go to the pencil for border color, pick black, then go to the border width, pick 4. Pause and do that now. We have created a President's Day poster honoring Jimmy Carter. Can't wait to see your projects. I'll catch you in the next lesson.